you want?
Yeah, this is like the slow roll.
Ooh, winner first try. Hello.
Okay, keep trying.
I got the widget. The widget.
Oh, you want another one? Thanks, because I tried.
I know, there's a nice silver one.
I know, I want the silver one.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, I like that silver one. That's cool.
You just need to get all the way around.
Oh, it's in a better spot.
It
Yeah,
is.
Leo. If you get around it, you might get it.
It's pretty good. Well, now it's
That's
sitting
good.
up better.
There's not many things we can block it, which one did.
Okay, here we go. Oh.
Aww.
You're about to say pert. Nah.
It almost seems like it grabs the square boxes better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Only destined for boxes.
Afternoon, everyone. In case you just walked in, please pick up your play card and simply swipe or scan your play card onto each machine, and it automatically charges you half the regular price to play. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money, go to the redemption counter right now, go to the change booth, and play for half price till 5 o'clock. 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Monday through Friday. Good luck and have fun. Thank you.
That one might be out of reach now, that
Oh, it got stuck in the box. Yes.
one. That's another way of getting them.
Hey.
That's it, I'm going to harpoon them from now on.
Stab the box with the claw.
Kill the box. Kill the box.
I'm going to harpoon them all. I'm going to get both of them at once. Better. Ooh, that one's lame. Can I still get that back one, or is it too far out of reach? Oh no, I can get that. Try that silver one again.
Like you can't get
Or
over
it slides, yeah, it slides over the other ones. Look at that. If I can grab that green one.
Cool, guys. We got Fidget widgets, Fidget cube,